We are exploring the Maplewood Mansion this semester and taking energy readings and calculating the cost effectiveness and energy consumption of the building.
Looking at the property and kind of analyzing all of the energy, water or electricity or heating, and making sure that they're working properly.
For this project, I usually ask the students one question. So, are the aesthetic design and environmental design different? Through this project, students learn the building energy in the space, and then at the end of the project, students will get understood aesthetical design and environmental design are not different.
We are measuring the windows. We are taking energy readings through thermal cameras and light cameras, and just all around trying to figure out kind of where the energy is going, like if there's any leaks in the space through the windows. And then we're taking a tour and looking at all of the equipment that is used and calculating the energy used through those. Working with a historical building, there are definitely a lot of differences. There are a lot of things that they've put in to try to help with energy consumption that they didn't think of back when the building was built. So some of the windows leaked a lot of air or heat. They've tried to replace some of them or maybe help the seals a little bit. And so there's just a lot of differences from when it was built and now.
The benefit of this is to not only get into the field and get some hands-on work, but also to teach us how to implement different ways to look at our buildings. I get to experience firsthand how all of this stuff works. It's not just a textbook that I'm reading in the front of the class, and I get to be hands-on, I get to see it physically, and I get to analyze that at the end of the day.
Because it's not like any other project that we've done so far. Taking the measurements, seeing how things are built, and seeing how we can improve upon them was really fun. Something that I've learned from this project is trying to take into consideration how the building was built, if it's pre-existing, and how we can improve upon that again, and what we can change without taking the historical aspects and aesthetics out of the building, but still trying to make it energy efficient.
Definitely making sure that my projects in the future are focusing on energy and making sure that they're friendly and I'm not hurting the environment, and looking at different objects like Energy Star products so that I can put those into my own buildings in the future.